In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Nova bot to GMGN. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description down below, and it is going to take you to the official Nova download page. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and select on this button that does say download for Chrome, and then it is going to take us to a page that looks like this. From here, let's go ahead and select on this option that does say add to Chrome, then go ahead and select on add extension. Once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go back to the download page like so. And this time we're going to go ahead and connect our Telegram account to this bot, because this bot will only work if you do use Telegram. So I'm just going to be selecting on connect Telegram. And obviously, if you're doing this on PC, then you will need to get Telegram for PC. So I'm just going to be pressing on that. Then I'm going to go ahead and select on open Telegram desktop. And then it is going to open up something that looks like this. It is going to say meet Nova Click. And all you want to do is you want to press on this link that says launch Nova Click. Then go ahead and press on open. Then it is now going to connect the two together. So now our Telegram account is connected to NovaClick. And from here, let's go ahead and press on got it. Once you're done with that, guys, you can go ahead and configure the bot over here through the Telegram chat. You guys can go ahead and select on menu and then do /menu. And from here, you will get all the tools. Obviously, you want to go ahead and import your wallet, which you can do from here where it says wallets. And then you guys can go ahead and select on import wallet like so. You guys could also go ahead and use a sniper tool, copy trade, and even make your own referral link as well. But before you guys do anything else, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on settings. Then you want to select on this option that does say Nova Click. And you want to make sure that use panel settings is turned on. So yep, as you're able to tell, mine is turned on. You're able to tell because it has a green circle. However, if yours has a red circle, then you want to go ahead and toggle it on in order for this to work. Now that you have that done, then what you need to do is you need to go back to Chrome and now open up GMGN right over here. All right, guys, now that you're in GMGN, go to the top Chrome bar right over here and select over here where it says extensions. And you want to make sure that you do pin Nova. So let's go ahead and pin it like so. And now that you have Nova, it will say disabled. So all you need to do is you need to press on this, and now it will actually enable Nova on MGN. And obviously, if you are using MGN, you can go ahead and connect to Telegram or sign in with a wallet. But just for this video, I'm just going to do it like this, guys. So now if we go ahead and go to any asset, as you're able to tell, we're able to go ahead and actually use Nova. We have all of our presets over here that we can go ahead and utilize. And there's honestly a lot of great features. We got preset buy amounts and preset sell amounts. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.